guys, so today I got a new Lego set. You can read this. I think it is a Ferris wheel. Yeah, and you can see these and 813 pieces. That's a lot. I think like 5 packs in this box. So this says dilating and then scene and then rotation mode. And you can see the design over here, how it looks. And on the front, it's like this. I don't know if it's the front or back. So I think this is pretty long. So this is the the sizes, and this says Ferris wheel, like the name, and then this says welcome. And then there's a door, so you could come in, and then there's a lighting components, and then NO.5 battery volts, and then a motor, and then this is, I think this is pretty small for you guys, but I guess try your best to read it. But this says 2-way switch, and then rotating, yep, I got it correct, in different directions. Okay, so you see the motor, wait, never mind, you see the motor over here. Wait, I think this, yeah, this is one, this is the one, this one is over here. You can see, I just made a mistake about this. There's no name, but it just said sentence, or this sentence is the name, but I don't know. So this, I don't know what this is for the code. And yeah, so I'll show you in the end. So yep, and I'm going to open it. So yep, the tape for sure. Wait, there's a piece I just showing you on the let's see. And then yeah, I'm just going to build it. So I'm not doing it right now, but I'm going to show you that this is a lot of pieces. So yeah. Oh, okay. This doesn't have any blocks. Okay. Oh, what are these? Oh, wait. Yep, these are the things over here, so you can't really see. Okay. Just being really careful, but yeah. Okay, what was I doing? I don't need to. Lot pieces. That is a lot. This is a lot, actually. Guys, this is a lot. I'm 7 years old, but it says 6 plus, and then we just got it. Oh, this is a big book. Big book. Are you standing? Okay, so this is a book.